Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing a very special package for you. I've been waiting this for quite a while. I will let you know in the description box the date I ordered the item. This is an item from a Makestar project, so that must be a question popping up to your head, how long it takes to arrive. I live in Europe, so it took a little while. I'm just going to be very careful not to break or damage anything. Okay, so this is what you see currently. I'm trying to open this with a hand. Okay, shit. There was a way easier way to open it. Let's do it this way instead. Very, very carefully. I'm sorry, the video must be like crap. But I didn't want you to miss out on this. I really want to record me unboxing the items most of the times, but wow, this is huge. But I am always very lazy to do so and always very excited to open the package. So this time around I decided I didn't care about how crappy the video would be. I just wanted to unbox it live. Okay, so this is very huge. I'm trying to not do anything badly. This is really huge. Help me here. It's gonna take a while. I'm only using one hand. This is freaking huge. Do you see how, like, this is properly huge. I didn't think it would be this big. I'm actually surprised that it didn't stop at costumes. Like, they managed to go through costumes with this big old box. Costumes in my country are usually very, like, annoying. So I'm very happy it didn't go through costumes. Oh shit, there's something coming out. I think this is the poster. I will show you this one in a while. Let's just put the bubble wrap there. Like that. Okay, so how do I open? Okay, I found the way. Very, very carefully. I'm sorry, I'm just leaning on and not showing you properly, but I'm doing my best. Oh geez, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at it. Look at my hand. Okay, my hand is quite huge, but look at this. This is so thick. I cannot wait any longer. I'm frustrated at the bubble wrap. Sorry guys. You're just there. Okay. So, it's this very cool package like this. It's very huge, I'm telling you. I don't know if you have like ordered it or not, but if you're expecting it to arrive, it's very huge. It doesn't have any damage, which I'm very glad. But look at it. Original soundtrack. Let's see the sides. So here we've got the entertainment, the distribution, the code bar. On the back we have nothing. Yeah, that's basically it. So So now we're going to open it. Okay, give me just a second because I can't do this with one hand properly without doing any damage. So 5 seconds, guys. Sorry, I think I've done it. Let's try to open it this way. I don't think you're seeing, but it must be so frustrating for you right now to be watching this and see me open this one hand, because I'm feeling quite frustrated to not be able to open it in a go. But it's all for the fun. All for the fun. Do-do-do-do. Ta-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. I'm actually very happy with the size. It cost me, it was a $70 package, I think. Let's try to open it. Okay. Sorry. I like the skills to film and open a package. This is very hard. This was very hard to open, okay? But here goes the main thing, the main reaction, the main everything. Let's put the scissors aside because that's annoying. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Look at it. It's just so pretty. So here we have the action figure of Seo. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I know I don't speak Korean, so I will not try. But look at it. Okay, it has this thingies on his shoe. I'm actually shaking. I think this is how you do it. And you put the other shoe like that. But oh, okay. I now know how to do it. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, I guess. So pretty. I'm shaking, guys. I don't know why. It's just... Here we have the EP or whatever, the soundtrack thing signed by himself. Which is super, super cool. I was so happy. I was one of the first 100 to buy the package and get it signed by him. It's so pretty. Have you actually watched the K-drama, guys? I would love to hear if you have watched it or not. So here we have the CDs. I'm going to go through that in a while, alone, of course. Let's put Seo Kang Joon aside like that, very carefully. And here we have the so we have some Polaroid styled photo cards. Yeah, cute. Here we have the photo book. Behind the scenes, I guess. It was such a nice drama. I really liked it. So yeah, I think that's it. I think there's nothing else and I'm very happy with it. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is just a spongy thing. But it's very intimidating. Like, Makestar really makes another level projects. Look at it. We are just admiring now the level of professionalism, whatever, of Makestar. Makestar, thank you so much for such a nice project. Let's put him in here. Look at it. It looks so good. Let's put the photo cards and etc. inside as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see a more proper unboxing next time, I will make sure to do so. I have another 2 packages from projects coming up. I will try to unbox those on time for you as well. And yeah, one's from Makestar, another one is from my music taste. But yeah, we all know Makestar makes the best projects anyways. It's all about the projects. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you, Makestar, again for such a nice project. And I will see you guys soon, guys. Bye!